Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Wallpaper controls. Long press an empty spot on your home screen, then tap Wallpapers or Styles and Wallpapers. You do this because Android centralizes wallpaper options there. It avoids digging through settings. Once the wallpaper picker appears, make sure you're on the Home Screen tab rather than Lock Screen. If an app set the wallpaper, note its name here. This early step gets you straight to the images and options you'll remove next without extra navigation. Now tap the active home wallpaper to expose actions: preview, edit, set, or delete. You do this because Android can show a trash icon, remove, or a set to default option depending on the launcher. If the wallpaper came from an app or gallery, use the three-dot menu to locate delete or remove from device. Once done, confirm any prompts. This ensures the file and any linked profile copies are cleared. Make sure you don't accidentally remove lock screen image unless you intend to. You finish by confirming the deletion and returning to the home screen to check the result. A default or solid color should appear. If the wallpaper didn't change, force close or reboot the phone, then clear the Launcher App Cache from Settings App's Launcher Storage. This fixes stale thumbnails. If an app repeatedly restores the image, uninstall it or clear its storage. Once done, the wallpaper removal sticks and you can set a new image or leave the default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.